Okay, so I am gonna be wrapping up part 2 of building my custom PC. So, I was thinking of doing the video I've done where I had a friend over, and the video was long, very informative, but I decided to, you know what, why not just make a collage, because I've done 2 Intel build, and because of that's I decided to back off being at the moment right now being the processor I've bought is not the best value at the moment right now. So right now, if you want the best value, the AMD processor is a pretty good value at the moment. So at the time, when I bought the Intel processor, actually when I did, I want to buy just because I wasn't quite sure how in the long run how the when it came to the software, actually not the hardware. The hardware normally you wouldn't get a long run with the motherboard. You mostly have to replace the motherboard every time there's a new generation of processor, being to keep changing the power and all that stuff. It was that I would say it's mostly uncomfortable. If I did, I was mostly concerned when I'm on an AMD processor, I wouldn't get the good software support right off the bat, and plus I was concerned about the long-term software support because I am more familiar with the Intel side of things, because my first laptop I have bought had pretty good long-term software support. There was pretty good software support with Windows 8.1 and Windows 7, so I kind of figured if I had really good software support, I figured for the time being I am going to be going with Intel for the moment, or for the time being. But if I'm going to be upgrading again, which when I do upgrade, it's going to be at least a couple of years before I have to upgrade again. And when I do upgrade, I may consider AMD, depending on how long they want to support when it comes to the software side thing, because I've messed with the older generation of the AMD processor, the APU actually, or the AMD processor with the integrated graphic, and I tend to find that with that their software support is not the greatest, and all of us, most of the people who do deal with PC hardware all know that the AMD, when it comes to the AMD video driver or your display or the software you need to run into the correct resolution in the 3D acceleration, we all know that the AMD doesn't have the greatest software support, so at the moment. So, and plus with that long, I tend to like to buy processors with integrated graphics, so I have more of an option. I know not every people who do build a a PC, or if they're gonna be gaming and doing video stuff and all that stuff. I know not everybody don't mess with the onboard graphic, or if they do, or if anybody who's doing video production, they mostly only gonna be using the onboard graphic if they need to use it for their video acceleration. So that's all the onboard. That's all the people may be using it for. That's one of those odd ducks who like to have a video card or video chip still built in the processor. So, but that's why I was afraid if I was gonna do a tutorial, I was gonna be afraid some people gonna be commenting about the stuff. So I kind of figured if I did do a little collage, you know, did a little bit of that, a short video, I figured nobody, or highly likely nobody wouldn't want to comment about it. It's like, okay, you're making that's a collage of you just building and trying to be very helpful in some way, which it doesn't, my video doesn't have to be applied to a Intel system. It's very similar to as long as you stay with the mainstream socket. It still have some helpful tip information when it's come to the, at least the memory, the M.2, and installing the motherboard into the case and getting power plugged in and getting all your cable plugged in. So the only thing I left out was the video card. So I kind of figured, you know, video card is not very important. It's mostly an optional thing. So, you know, it's not like everybody, there's still use case where everybody don't need a graphic card. So that's what I did. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Hopefully you found it very helpful, and hopefully you found it very entertaining in a way. So, but yeah, I'm gonna say this is pretty much it, you know. So that's all that's what I'm gonna say. This is like mini retakes, so, but anyways, I did want to step in, being part 1. I didn't have enough room. I did want just to keep that part 1 collage video at least 20 minutes. I had to leave me out, so normally I did pop in, and like I've done in the past with my other video, where some of my video, once the video ends, I always say thank you or I always say thank you to anybody who have watched my video. So, but this time, being part 2 was mostly just installing a video card, and it was very short, so, and plus I should have filmed when I booted up the system, but I was trying to get Windows 8.1 working on my new custom PC, which that didn't work out, so that's why I didn't film. So, but anyway, that's pretty much it. So this video should be long enough, so I'm gonna say thank you for watching. Please feel free to check out other videos just in case. Excuse me. Lucky I didn't make any noise, so, but that'd be rude. But anyway, like I said, please feel free to check out a video just in case if you're interested following the YouTube channel, and you might find part 1 of me building my of a collage of me building my new custom PC. So, but if you're not a typical person that jump on YouTube, so if you're a novice, so if you don't know how to check out those videos on my YouTube channel, or if you don't know how to access video galleries, so there's two ways. One way is to check out the video gallery directly. Another way is if you want to check out my YouTube homepage, if you want to follow my social link, and if you want to support the YouTube channel. So, if you want to check out the video gallery directly, bottom of the video there should be a link that will redirect you directly to my video gallery, so you can follow along and check out the video since well, you can check out my old video too. So, but then another way too is check out my YouTube homepage if you want to follow me and if you want to support the YouTube channel. So, to go to my YouTube homepage, bottom corner of my video should be my username and a photo of my face. So, my username should be Michaeltechroom. My username should be next to a photo of my face, and that is a link or a default link by YouTube, so you can click that and you should be redirected over to my YouTube homepage, and that way you can check out playlists, social link. So then I do have a PayPal donation button if you do want support. Then I do have another way of supporting the YouTube channel if you don't feel comfortable using PayPal. So, anybody who do feel comfortable, I try not to encourage anybody to donate a huge amount. A small amount of donation will go a long way for the YouTube channel. So, and plus, if anybody did support the YouTube channel by PayPal, then they would have an option of what type of shout out they want, if they want to be anonymous or if there was a certain shout out that they want. So let me know if you did, or if you did leave your contact information behind. I will be sure, so long as I don't get a huge amount of people donating, but if I do have a few people, I will try to reach out to you and ask you that. So then if you do, like I said, so if you're done checking out the stuff on my YouTube homepage, if you want to check out the video gallery still, just hit the video tab on my YouTube homepage, and that will redirect you same as the link in the video notes. So, once you're done checking out, if the video caught your interest, feel free to subscribe, like I said earlier ago. But if you're going to enable the bell notification, do make sure you have the setting on correctly, because if you don't, you're going to receive no bell notification if you don't have it on correctly. So, be sure, double check if you have it on correctly. Then, feel free to give the video a like or dislike, whatever you feel like. Then, go in the video notes and click on show more, because there is more stuff in the video note if you don't. So, if you did click on show more of the video note, you should see a channel email address if you need to reach me, Amazon wish list, I'm gonna say a similar thing. You don't have to buy, or you don't have to buy the most expensive item on the wish list. The cheapest will go a long way for the YouTube channel. So, and I'll give you the same option if you want to be anonymous, or if there was a certain shout out, if you do want. So, It's in community detective forums, so if you want to sign up with one of those community detective forums, feel free to say hi to me, and if you have any nice conversational comment that you want to post below the video, feel free to post it. If you have anything not nice to say, please take it to a place that I'm not gay, most likely not gay, see it. So, but anyway, if you have anything nice, feel free to post it below the video if you want to get a little conversational going. So, I will catch you next time.